Hello, everybody. So, I'm here to just chat about why live community events are more powerful than online groups. So, yeah, here at Inana, we actually offer the opportunity for you to come and visit and to take part in like live community events, if, healing. Um, Counselling support. So, based on where we are at today with the internet, online communities, embodied presence is still extremely important. So, in person gatherings allow participants to feel the subtle energetic transmissions that arise in shared silence, in ritual and ceremony. The body becomes a vessel of awakening through breath, touch, movement, and resonance that are amplified when people are together. You may have seen some of our events that we have here, the live drumming sessions and dancing and uh, the healing events. So online spaces can convey words and ideas, but they cannot transmit the full spectrum of embodied presence. So it is also like a beautiful collective energy field. So a live retreat creates a unified field of consciousness where each person's intention magnifies the whole. And this field effect accelerates healing and awakening. So as participants are held in the container of this amplified energy, it accelerates the healing process. Online groups fragmented by screens and distractions rarely sustain this same depth of coherence. So sacred space and ritual is what this is all about also. So retreats are intentionally designed environments, containers, altars, nature immersions, ceremonial practices that anchor participants in the space of sacredness. So the physical setting itself becomes a teacher, reminding each and every one of our own true nature. So I love that. The actual physical setting itself, the environment, the space itself becomes the teacher. So online training lacks the same visceral impact of stepping into a consecrated space. Okay, so then there's the authentic human connection. Sharing meals together, eye contact, laughter, hugs and tears in real time fosters bonds of trust and belonging. These friendships become soul family and it offers support long after the retreats and the workshops end. Online connections can again be very meaningful, but they often remain just, cerebral and fleeting. So it also breaks our pattern. So it's like a pattern break of our habits. So there's a disruption of routine. So attending a live event or a live retreat removes participants from your habitual environment and opens people up to transformation. The act of traveling, of committing time and entering a new space signals to the psyche that this is sacred and this is different. Online formats accessed from the same desk or the same couch rarely catalyze such profound shifts. Integration through shared experiences, again, profound and very important. This is all so integral to and important to our pathway of awakening. and healing. So group practices such as drumming and chanting, movement, ceremony, create embodied memories that anchor spiritual insights. These shared experiences weave participants into a tapestry of remembrance, making integration more natural and lasting. So online learning often remains, as I said, intellectual without the deep imprint of live ritual. So why this is needed so much now is because in this world that is increasingly mediated by screens, live retreats restore the human need for touch, presence, community, embodiment. It's very, very somatic and beautiful, that sense of, again, of touch, presence, and belonging. They remind us that awakening is not a solitary pursuit, but a collective unfolding, a beautiful space of support. The Inana Retreat offers not just teachings, but a living transmission. And it's an invitation to wholeness that can only be fully received in the company of others walking the same path as each other. So that's a little bit about why I believe joining together in a beautiful space like Inana and in the community is so very important for everybody. So I look forward to seeing you all here very, very soon.